The 2015 Jeep Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and a Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family, and it's priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power steering, front air conditioning, cruise control, passenger airbag, fog lamps, heated driver's seat, power windows, remote power door locks, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.